Welcome back to Appetite for the Outdoors, brought to you by Carolina Cooker. I'm Chef Chad McIntyre. Today we're going to do a bacon-wrapped duck. So what we've got is some fresh duck breast that we've kind of cubed up into about inch by inch. We've got a little bit of fresh orange slice, some salt and pepper, and the bacon. You want to actually kind of par cook this or about half cook this. That way we don't overcook the duck breast. We're going to grill it on our Kamado Grill, about a medium-high heat, and then we're going to toss it in a molasses sriracha sauce. So using the orange in these guys helps actually keep a lot of the moisture in with this popper while it's on the grill. It will also impart a lot of the flavor, but definitely will help keep the duck from drying out. All right, so we got our duck bites wrapped up here with the bacon and the orange. We're gonna hit it a little bit, salt and pepper, just some add some taste on here. We got our grill nice and hot, ready to go. We're gonna do these for about 2.5 to 3 minutes, really just kind of doing it to crisp the bacon up and added a little heat to that duck breast. So while these guys are cooking on the grill, we're gonna make the sauce that these actually get tossed in and then hit on the grill one last time. So what we got is about a half a cup of unsulfured molasses, and then we're gonna put in about a tablespoon sriracha. Just give this little guy a mix. And once these are done, like I said, we're gonna put these in here, give them a toss, put them back on the grill, and finish them off. But a nice, quick dish. It's something that you can kind of put out if you have a party at the house or if everybody's just kind of hanging around the campfire. As always, it's great to take wild game in the outdoors, but it's even better when you can incorporate it into a dish.